Good morning, y'all. Let me show you around Glyfada. Yaya's house. What are you getting?
This one looks really good.
Ice cream!
I thought you were making that great video.
I'm not. Dink! Dink! Over here eating ice cream while we wait for this storm. Look at him over there. Look at him over there.
I don't want to.
Still no rain. Waiting for it. It's crazy. All the years, been coming to Greece for 28 years now, and it's rained maybe 4 times, and it was very light rain, not like how we have in Florida. And today, we're supposed to have a really bad storm. And if you look over in the horizon, it looks like it's coming. It's a little windy. Let's pop this thing up and see what kind of shots we get. Getting very high wind advisories, but all in all, it was a good flight. I love gloomy days. Anyways, all right. Now let's go down to the square. Glyfada Square, here we come.
Hangars desav yesel kalis partır seratı Hangars desav yesel kalis partır seratı
Εδώ είναι καλό.
Εδώ καλά.
Εδώ, ναι.
Ένα λεπτό, εδώ μπροστά.
Εδώ.
Εδώ μπροστά,
Εντάξει.
ένα λεπτό.
Ναι, ναι. Έλα! Το. Say goodbye, Uncle Pete.
Οκ, γεια σας παιδιά. Καλή, και εγώ σ' αγαπώ κούκλα. Καλή βόλτα.
Okay, but thank you.
see around here. All right, much better. And it made it safe. All right, let's go explore the town. Ready?
Yep.
Ready? Hey!
You ever seen him before?
Never seen that guy before in my life.
That's definitely because of the beard.
It's a beard thing. It's a beard thing. Hey! It's not green, we're jaywalking. Everybody's jaywalking. Everybody's jaywalking. Are they looking? Are they looking?
I'm not gonna look at this.
Not gonna look. Ma, I love you. The best mother in the world. So in the late 80s, early 90s is when I first started coming to Greece. I would stay at Hotel Avra, which was my grandparents' hotel, right on the beach. It was beautiful. Wake up, open the blinds, and it was overlooking the ocean. And then they sold the hotel, and then they came to here, to Glyfada. And every time I come, I never made a video of Glyfada. So yeah, I hope you enjoy Glyfada. Let's go and head down to the water. See this beautiful sunset, hopefully. The past couple days has just been all gray and cloudy, and we got a little bit of finally blue sky, so let's see if we can get a beautiful sunset coming down. Alright, so we tried to get the sunset, but due to the clouds and the weather, couldn't get a good sunset. Next time. There's always gonna be next time. On that note, not today! Now it's time to find Jenna. We got separated. Jenna! Hey! We found her!
No sunset, Jenna. No sunset. It went behind.
We didn't get the sunset we wanted. We went behind the clouds, but maybe next time.
Next year.
Next year.
That's what I said.
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Hey! Till next time. We'll see you then. And we out.